Pagpilo pagpilo sa akin.
Wow! 16 seconds without the first for Kuya J.E. Wow, ang galing nga. Kain 16 seconds. How about you? What's your name, Kuya? Mr. John, dito tayo sa center. Ayan. Kaya mo nang tagalin yung 16 seconds si Kuya J.E. Kaya mo yun, syempre. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Yusef!
Wow, 13 seconds! Let's all clap for your hands! Ang galing-galing naman! Okay, how about you, Kuya? Dito tayo sa center. What's your name? JM. Okay, kaya mo ba ibig yung 16 seconds? Yes, kaya. Alright, say the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Yusef!
Sayang! Sige, one last time. Okay, so in the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Yusef! Happy birthday!
Ayaw na niyo Kuya? Okay, so let's wait for your hands for JM. Wow, 36 seconds si Kuya. I was your name, dito tayo sa center. Alright. Okay, serious? So can you beat 16 seconds of JE? Yes, kaya. Alright, so in the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Yusef!
Wow! 20 seconds! Ang galing! Okay, how about you, Kuya Junior? Yes, can you be 20 seconds? Alright, so you have to say happy birthday, Yusef. Can you do that? Yes, okay, so in the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go!